Are you a coffee enthusiast who craves a rich, flavorful cup of coffee at home? Look no further than the Ovente French Press Coffee Maker, a sleek, durable, and versatile tool designed to extract the most delicious flavors from your coffee bean. Whether you're a daily coffee drinker or enjoy the occasional brew, this French press will revolutionize your coffee-making experience. Let's dive into why the Ovente French Press Coffee Maker 20 should be your next kitchen companion. Key features that set Ovente apart. 1. Exceptional quality for a long-lasting experience. The Ovente French press is crafted with Borosilicate glass, known for its resistance to thermal shock and high temperatures. This means you can pour hot water without worrying about the glass cracking. Built to withstand daily use, the carafe maintains its durability, ensuring a coffee maker that lasts for years. 2. Sleek and stylish design for any kitchen. With its elegant, transparent glass body, this French press adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen counter. The protective outer shell not only provides a modern look, but also offers a secure grip, so you won't have to worry about burning your hands while pouring hot coffee. The design is as functional as it is visually appealing, making it a perfect gift for coffee lovers or anyone looking to elevate their brewing experience. Number 3. Advanced 4-level filtration system. What makes this French press truly exceptional is its 4-level filtration system, including a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and a final mesh screen. This meticulous system ensures you'll enjoy a smooth, sediment-free cup of coffee, while still preserving all the natural oils and robust flavors from the bean. No gritty coffee ground, just a rich, aromatic cup every time. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ovente French press is its versatility. While it's perfect for brewing coffee, you can also use it for tea, infused water, fresh juice, and even creative recipes like real hot chocolate and almond milk. Its multi-purpose functionality makes it a must-have for any kitchen, whether you're a coffee aficionado or someone who enjoys experimenting with different beverages. Imagine enjoying a cup of smooth yerba mate in the afternoon or preparing a fresh fruit-infused water on a hot summer day. This French press makes it easy to explore a world of flavors beyond coffee. Brewing coffee with the Ovente French press is not just about taste, it's a sensory experience. From the moment you press down on the plunger, the aroma fills the air, signaling that you're about to enjoy a fresh, flavorful cup. The French press preserves the natural oils from your coffee beans, ensuring a rich, full-bodied flavor that can't be matched by traditional drip coffee maker. Whether you prefer a light roast or a strong dark brew, this French press brings out the best in your coffee. Do you think French press coffee making is complicated? Think again. The Ovente French press makes the process simple and straightforward. Just add your coarse ground coffee, pour in hot water, stir, let it steep, and press the plunger. In less than 5 minutes, you'll have a piping hot cup of coffee with deep, bold flavor. And cleanup is just as easy. Simply disassemble the parts and give them a quick rinse, or toss them into the dishwasher. The Ovente French press comes with a bonus Ovente measuring scoop, 7 grams, ensuring you always get the perfect amount of coffee grounds for your brew. This added value means you get premium quality at an affordable price, making it one of the best investments for coffee lovers who don't want to break the bank on expensive brewing equipment. If you value simplicity, quality, and versatility in your brewing tools, the Ovente French Press Coffee Maker is an ideal choice. Compact 20-ounce size is perfect for individuals or small households who want to enjoy fresh coffee without wasting any brew. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just getting started with making coffee at home, the Ovente French Press ensures professional results with minimal effort. But it doesn't stop there. The ability to brew cold brew coffee, loose leaf teas, and even make fresh juices, this tool becomes an essential part of your daily routine. You can brew your favorite drinks quickly, with the convenience of an easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe design. Pros and cons of the Ovente French Press. Pros: durable borosilicate glass, heat-resistant and long-lasting. Sleek design, stylish, ergonomic, and perfect for any kitchen. 4-level filtration system, guarantees a smooth, grit-free cup of coffee. Multifunctional use, ideal for coffee, tea, and more. Bonus measuring scoop, ensures precise brewing every time. Cons: limited capacity, The 20-ounce size may be too small for larger households. Requires coarse grounds, not ideal for pre-ground coffee. You'll need to grind your beans fresh. Final verdict: a must-have for coffee lovers. In a world full of coffee makers, the Ovente French press stands out for its exceptional quality, ease of use, and versatility. Whether you're brewing coffee, tea, or experimenting with cold brews, the Ovente French press delivers an unmatched experience that combines flavor, simplicity, and style. With its robust 4-level filtration system and durable construction, it's an investment that pays off with every cup. Plus, the added versatility for making juices, teas, and other beverages makes it a highly valuable kitchen tool. For anyone who craves the taste of fresh, full-bodied coffee without the hassle, the Ovente French press coffee maker is a game changer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.